Hey everybody, this is John Mathis Jr. with Mansion Entertainment. In today's video, we're going to learn to chord. Learn the chords to one of the most popular worship songs in church for the last 30 years, Shout to the Lord. If you are not familiar with these white keys, black keys, check the video links in the description. There's a 5 steps to learning to play the piano by ear video where you'll learn 5 of the foundations that'll help you understand this better and kind of know a little bit more about what you're doing. There's some tips there and some learning information, instructions. Check that out. But let's go ahead and learn how to play the chords to Shout to the Lord. Here we are. Let's talk about some chords we'll need to know before we begin. We're going to be in A major. We'll be using chords of D, which D major. We'll be using the chord E major. You'll need to know that. F sharp minor. You'll need to know that. And then there is one chord, we'll just call it kind of an off chord. We're going to play a G major at some point in this song. So we're in A major. Those are 4 chords plus that off transition chord that you'll want to add in. Let's begin with an intro. What you can play for an intro for this. If you have not watched our video on inverting chords, that'll be important. It will help you transition, give different tone. But for an intro, let me show you the progression. So it's a F sharp minor, E major, D major, E major, A. And I played them in the standard formation. But it would be something like this. So that is the intro that you can do. The progression for the verse it begins with the A major. My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. All of my days I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. Let's do that again. And there's just going to be a repeat of this. So we're doing A major, E major, F sharp minor, E major, D major. And then for all of my days, it's all of my days I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. Let's play all that with a rhythm. We're going to play just a rhythm like this. My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. All my days I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. My comfort, my shelter, tower of refuge and strength, let every breath, all that I am, never cease to worship you. Shout to, so not really my key to sing, by the way, but just to give you some reference of where the music is matching up to the vocals and the progression we're playing there. Let's look at the chorus. same progression pretty much in the chorus. We're just not going to be playing that off G major chord. Let's take a look at the chorus here on Shout to the Lord. Shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. Power and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains bow down and the seas will roar at the sound of your name. I sing for joy at the work of your hands. Forever I love, forever I stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. So that's the chorus. And you can, for a tag, you can just repeat the nothing compares to the promise I have. And nothing compares to the promise I have in you. So you can kind of make your own little tag, extend that out as long as you want. And there you go, Shout to the Lord. Put that together with an intro. Work on this a section at a time. Work on an intro till you have that down. Work on the verse till you have that down. Work on the chorus until you have that down. Put all that together and practice that.